U-D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. U-D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let's check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.